Guys, today I want to teach you guys 4 ways to tackle a patchy beard problem. So if you are a guy with a patchy beard and you are looking for a solution to solve it, this video is for you. Stick around. I'm gonna be right back. My name is Benghazi. Like I said earlier on, today I'm gonna teach you guys 4 ways to tackle your patchy problems. So without wasting much of your time, let's up to it. But before then, if you are new here, kindly like the video and subscribe for me. Thanks. The first tip is use a DERMAROLLER. I've talked about a DERMAROLLER a lot on this channel, and if you don't know about a DERMAROLLER is a device that has tiny needles on it. They have about more than 1,000 needles, small needles on it that is used to grow a beard or to solve hair loss problems. Personally, I used to have a lot of patches in my beard. I don't know whether you guys can see it. I doubt so, because now it is all covered. And the DERMAROLLER is one of the tools I use for my patches, you understand, and it has helped me a lot. I used it twice a week. That was like Sundays and Wednesdays. And at the initial stage, I thought it wasn't working, or it wasn't gonna work, because I wasn't seeing any results. But with time, I started seeing the hair around the place, or the patchy area, started becoming more thicker and more fuller. So yeah, it's not gonna happen overnight. It's not gonna happen boom just like that. You just have to have the patience, enjoy the process, and just give it time. It's gonna grow, or it's gonna get filled up. So yeah, get you a DERMAROLLER. Specifically, the 0.5 gonna help you. So get you a DERMAROLLER, and it's gonna help you a lot with the patchy beard. Yeah, the second method of dealing with a patchy beard is by using a MINOXIDil. Oh yeah, and if you haven't still heard about MINOXIDil, then I don't know, you must be living under the rock, because who doesn't know about MINOXIDil these days? For the sake of those who don't know about MINOXIDil, I'm gonna brief you a little bit about it. Yeah, MINOXIDil is a topical solution that is being used on the scalp to deal with male pattern baldness, like those who are losing their hair. It was meant for them, but then people realized that it was also helping for beard growth and all that. So people started using it on their beard to grow their beard, and it's one of the very effective ways to grow a beard if you don't have anything at all. So yeah, MINOXIDil is one of the things I still use. Even at now, I still use MINOXIDil, but that's another explanation for another video. I'm gonna tell you guys why I use my MINOXIDil and where I apply it to, you understand? So yeah, when the video comes, you all gonna know. So if you're having a patchy beard, get you a MINOXIDil 5%. You understand? There are a lot of brands out there. Just go and make sure that, you know, some of them are diluted, but get them from a trusted source, you understand? Just get it, and that one to apply it daily, understand? Some people apply it morning and evening, but for me, I apply it once a day, because I've done some studies and it shows that even once a day is as effective as the twice a day. So why should I use it twice a day when the job can be done with just once a day? You understand? So yeah, get you a MINOXIDil 5% and apply it to the area where you have the patches, and with time that one too is gonna help. So yeah, that's the second tip. And the third tip on how to solve a patchy beard problem is by using a hair dye or a hair color. I don't know any other name, but it's a hair dye. Any hair dye, like black hair dye, is gonna help. A hair dye is a solution that is used to change the color of your hair, as it says, a hair dye, to whatever color you want. So in this case, you're gonna need the black. I don't know, unless maybe you have a ginger beard or your beard is red or something like that, you're gonna use a red color. But then if yours is black like mine, you're just gonna need a black dye, you understand? Then use the dye to dye your beard, or even just apply it to the place where the patches are. It's gonna give it the illusion of no patchy area, you get it? The area is gonna be covered by the dye, and people not gonna notice that you're even having a dye on your beard, because it's very good. It's very good at hiding those patches and all that. Just that this method is kind of temporary, because whenever you bath, or with time, you're gonna fade out, and you need to be applying it almost, let's say, once or twice a month, just to keep up with the appearance. And I think yeah, you can use it, but then there are other, I think the first 2 tips are much better than this one. So yeah, but then this one too can help you do the work, especially if you need some instant results. Just go to any supermarket or where they sell hair products and ask them you need a dye, you understand, hair dye, and give them the color you want, black. Just tell them you need a black color. They're gonna hook you up with one. Go home, just apply it on it, allow it to dry for some time. After that, you're gonna notice a big difference in your beard. So yeah, get you a hair dye to help you solve your patchy problem. Yeah, and the last tip is allow the beard to grow out. Personally, this is another method I use to hide my patchy areas, you understand. When I started growing out my beard, I realized that my patches started fading away, or I wasn't noticing my patches as much as I used to notice them when I was having a stubble. You get it? I don't know whether you can see, let me show you guys whether you can see this place. I still have some small patchy area, but because I have a long beard or thick beard, you can't see it because it helps cover the area. So yeah, this is another method you can use to hide your patchy areas. But then you just have to, this is another temporary method, because whenever you shave it down, the patchy area gonna be visible, but that wouldn't be a problem because you can always grow the hair back. So yeah, allow your beard to grow for about 3 inches. That's gonna help cover the area, unless your patchy areas are very big, like very impossible to hide them with the hair. That's gonna be a problem. But then if they are just small areas that needs to be covered, you just have to allow the hair to grow, and that's gonna help you get the job done. So yeah, personally, all these methods are the method I use to help me have a great beard. Even though some people see me and think, oh, Charlie. Those who don't know the meaning of Charlie, it's a slang we use in Ghana. Yeah, by the way. Some people will see me and be like, yo, I like your beard. Your beard is kind of nice. I still think I have a long way to go with my beard because I can still see some patches, especially this area. I'm still trying to get some hair this area. So the first 2 methods, the DERMAROLLER and the MINOXIDIL, are what I'm using currently to help me fill this place. You know, I still see this place as patches. So yeah, with time I'm gonna update you guys about it. You can use all the methods, or you just select some of them that you know you can personally stick to it and do it. We are in 2021 and you can't be roaming about with a patchy beard. No, my guy, you can't do that. Just make sure that you cover them up, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if there is any topic or anything you want me to make video about, anything about beard you want me to make video on, just comment it down below, and make sure you like the video and subscribe for me. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Peace.